Welcome, Droid Guru fans. I'm your host, Droid Guru, and in this episode, we're going to talk about how you become a host, which means you can register for an account and connect your robot to the platform so other people can remotely pilot it from their web browser. All right, so as a host, some of the things you can do is you can connect your robot to the Droid Guru platform. You can set like the time limit, how long you want people to be able to use your robot. So you can set that for a few seconds, minutes, or hours, or however long you want that. And also, this allows you to provide on-demand teleoperation services. So think of it like a Uber or Lyft for robots. You can provide that on-demand service. And also, once you set up an account, you can charge users to use your robot. So that means they'll buy credits, and whatever you set as the rate for your robot, you'll get that, and it'll be set into your account. And also, you can create cool robot games. You can come up with all kinds of environments. So it's up to your imagination what kind of host you want to be or what kind of things you can do. So we'll be like featuring some of those ideas and concepts in other videos. So look out for other videos as they come along. All right. So we're going to do a demo. So in this demo, we're going to show you how to register for a robot account. We're going to show you how to complete your robot profile. This is a little quick and easy thing you can do. And then we're going to show you how to download the Android app from the Google Play Store, because you'll need that to connect your robot to the platform. And then the next thing we're going to do is mention that you need a robot that's USB, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth connectivity. And if you watch our previous Getting Started video, we'll show you some of the robots that we've already tested. Now, once again, you can use any robot as long as it has those qualifications: USB, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth connectivity, and the app and internet access. All right, so now let's get started with the demo and show you how to register your robot and connect it to the platform. So now we are at the DroidGuru.net website with the pilot user interface. So first we want to register an account. So we'll click the Login Register button, hit the Register tab. We'll create a username that we want to use, and that's what's going to appear as the username in the list when your robot is listed in a room. We're going to enter email that we want to use, then a password, then confirm the password. And then the next step, that's where we determine what kind of account this is. So since this is an account that we want to use to connect our robot to the platform, which is a host account, we're going to select robot. If you want to be a pilot, you pick the use the other option. But right now we want a robot account because we want to connect our robot. So let's see, it created an account for us. So now we have a registered account. So if we go to the My Account button or menu and click on that, this brings up the account user interface. So this user interface, we can use it to see the transactions, the summary of transactions for this account. We can add a payment account, we can deposit money, and we can withdraw money. So depositing money just creates credits to your account. All right. But first we need to sign in. So this sign is different than the pilot user interface. This sign in signs you in to everything related to your account and profile. So we just use the username and password that we created previously when we registered the account. And now we're logged in as shown in the upper right, gives our username. And then if we had some transactions, they'd show in this account summary page. But first we want to work on our profile before we can connect our robot. We have to modify a few things. So if you want to come here, you can change your update your profile, username, email, etc. All right. So we're going to set the duration for our robot. So remember that duration is how long the user is allowed to operate your robot. So right now we set it for 60 seconds. We set our cost to 0 because this robot's just going to be free. And then we update our profile with this information. So once you put those two items in there, you're good to go. So let's go back to the pilot interface. Click on the Robot Buddy link, the top left. All right. So now we're back to the pilot user interface. So let's look at the app, that the DroidGuru app that the host will use. So this is portrait mode. We can switch to landscape, and this affects how your image video from your phone or smart device is streamed to the pilot user interface. So play around with that to see what works best for you. All right, we got to set the channel. So remember, Bluetooth, USB, or Wi-Fi, or IoT. So we're using a little Bluetooth car, so that it's Bluetooth channel. The protocol is already in there, micro car. And we want to set secure Bluetooth, because that's what this one requires. And it'll say connecting, and once it's connected, the connect button will change to disconnect buddy. So that's the robot section. So now if we go to the video broadcast section, we can click the start broadcast button, and we'll start streaming. This is the video, the preview video of what will be streamed to the user. And also in the video broadcast tab, you can, if you have an IP camera, you can enter that IP address there. All right, so now we need to join or connect to the server first before our robot can do anything. So first we're going to connect to the server. We're going to use the username and password that we used when we registered this account. So we'll just enter that here. That's when so now it says disconnect. So that means you're connected to the server. And now the list of rooms show up. So we'll join the wheels room. So now this is the pilot, what they're seeing. So they see your robot in the wheels room. That's the robot account we registered, cost 0, the name and everything. And now we get our countdown timer that allows us to prepare. But once that starts, the progress bar, the duration bar starts, and that lets us know how much time we have to use this robot. So we set this one for 60 seconds, so that's how long the duration will be for this one. All right, so you see on the left-hand side, we have the pilot interface, what they're seeing, and on the right-hand side, we see the host, the DroidGuru Android app. So you can see as a pilot, as you manipulate the controls, you move the joystick, you activate the buttons and switches. You can see the effect of that in the room camera view. And also you can see that the host is also, they're the ones controlling what this video is streamed to the user interface. So you can just keep piloting the robot, and then once the duration has expired, the progress bar gets to the max value, it disconnects you. So that's what the duration does. It sets how long a user can operate your robot. All right, then you can just log out. Okay, DroidGuru fans, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check out our other YouTube videos. And if you have a cool robot project you want us to know about, just let us know and we'll probably put it on our video.